Welcome to my channel. We are in the middle of the winters. I dug up Vernonia amygdalina plant from the yard. A few days ago, the weather dropped to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Vernonia amygdalina leaf help with weight loss. Here is a clip of the Vernonia amygdalina before the winter. I also have a link in the description box below. Because of my education about health and nutrition, that I am able to heal my body from the injury. I have a college degree. I want to share my knowledge with you so that you and your loved one can stay healthy. To me, it is worth it to bring the plant back inside in the winter and bring out after the last frost. Mango is low in calorie. Vinegar to prevent pathogen. Water. Vernonia amygdalina mango smoothie recipe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.